Good morning. This is Nalini, social scientist and psychologist. In today's Light Up Your Life topic, we will talk about art of parenting. Present situation, most of the people and parents also suffering to manage the child from childhood to adolescent also. If we take the infant also, most of the mothers getting tension if they are working, if they are busy with the other duties while crawling, while sitting, they will try to stand. We need more attention. In that moment, if we discourage them, there is a chance to get some fear situation in the later days. We must guide them in a proper way. Another one also, as a play class child, making them to attend to school in time, then managing time also very important, but we should not punish them frequently. If we motivate them, what is the mistake they are doing, we have to provide some guidance. If you behave like that, there is a chance to get other problems. You may miss class, you may get punishment. All these make them to understand next day they want to implement in a right way. But we have to stop another this criticizing the child in presence of others also. So in that situation, the child may get some uh, temperament if we compare the with other children also. So in that moment, we must change our habits also in managing the child at home. As a late childhood also, so many changes are there. That means some hormonal changes. In that moment, there is a chance to get temperament also. Even the parents, they have to control their anger while managing them. In guiding them in a right way, they must make it a habit to spend time with their children. In that moment, there is a chance to get some information how the child is behaving with others. So, like that, slowly we can understand how to modify the behavior of the child in later days. Another one also, we have to listen to the child whenever they are saying, but we must make it a habit without hearing properly the problem. If we scold them, there is a chance to get some other problems. Sometimes the children, they may escape from the house also. Another one also, we must follow that one. Are they getting good food, sleep in time? These are also getting some peaceful situation while dealing with others, with other situations also. They are capable to understand by getting some patience in their life. So we must be careful while managing the child from childhood to late ado- adolescence also. That's why we need more attention on this one. If we take some precautions while managing the child, especially providing food, greens, vegetables, like that only, whatever they like, if we provide weekly ones, there is no harm to their health. Another one also, frequency of taking junk food, it is influences in their behavior. Mostly we got sweet and oil in that one. In that moment, there is a chance to get some aggressive attitude. Parents must be conscious while planning all this. Another one also, strictness is not that much good in managing the child. So if we are very strict at home, there is a chance to get some gap between the parents and the children also. Is there any problematic situation? The children, they don't want to share with their parents because they may expect some punishment from the parents. In that way, parents must be careful in analyzing the problem, then guiding them. Sometimes this aggressive attitude giving chance to fight with the siblings and other classmates also. In that moment, if we provide good food in a nutritious way, there is no chance to get a harmful situation. Another one also, try to balance the emotional situation. It influences the child how they are observing the parents about their attitude. Then they may give chance to behave the same way with other classmates. It may be in the later days also. That's why even if we have any financial crisis, other problems, family problems, we should not expose them in presence of the children. It is influences in child's attitude, then it's a very dangerous to manage the child in their life also. Nearly 70% of parents are struggling to manage the teenage child while getting education, their behavior, managing life with their friends, how much concentration is there in studies. These are all the situations make them to struggle. In that moment, parents must be very careful in understanding the attitude of the child. If they compare their teenage, how they led the life, then slowly they can understand the present situation of the child. But we should not encourage them not to accept the parents' opinions. We will make them to analyze the topic in what way they are struggling. So, if they motivate them in a right way with the patience, the child can understand. But some of the chances are there to get some gap between the parents and the children also. The friendliness, reward, and punishment, these are also important points to understand the um, this guidance of the parents. Neurophysiological and behavioral development is very particular in adolescents. So parents must be flexible. Even is there any failure, parents must tolerate that one, but guide them what is the right one to get success also. This type of patience makes the child to understand. Then they may think about the opinion of the parents also. In that moment it may be a chance to get some infatuation. Another one also, hormonal changes also influences in their behavior. Then whatever they say, it's not that much clarity in their mind. Slowly they can understand what way these teachers or parents are telling. Slowly they can understand, they will try to modify the behavior. In that way, friendliness, understanding is very, very important by the parents. In time management, by providing recreation to the children, we should not force them not to watch TV. We must allow them every day 10 or 15 minutes. Whenever they may get time, they may get some entertainment. Sometimes they need some company. There is no chance to spend time in a happy way. In that moment, they wanted to see all this. But if we provide that one, they can understand what is the time they have to spend in watching TV. Then another one also, it extremes the limits. What are the problems they may get? Slowly, if we guide them, then they can understand. Another one also, mostly for adolescents, we must plan trips to spend time. A teenage child, it may be a recreation, going some tour whenever they get the free time. So it gives some um, information how the child behaving with others while moving. It may be with the friends. The parents can understand. It gives some chance to give some more guidelines. It helps to their future behavior. We must encourage them what is their goal. So, as a positive thinking, to avoid the distress attitude, is there any failure? We must guide them in a proper way. Another one, try to develop trust in their mind. Whatever the life they are leading, the parents guide like that, there is no chance to get some distress situation. Then it may be self control, emotional balances, toleration of the failure. By guidance of the parents, it gives more strength to the teenage child to manage any problem in the life also. Like that, if we follow all these tips, definitely we may see the children in right position with good behavior also. They can tackle the life in a right way. Even they are ready to face some challenges in their working areas in future days. That's why parental this information are very, very important. from childhood onwards. That's why Sigmund Freud is very strong. Whatever we may learn up to 5 years, it is more influences in future behavior. Like that, parents must follow all these guidelines to manage the child up to adolescent age also. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any doubt, my website address http://nalinipelluru psychologist.com. Don't forget to subscribe my video. Thank you.